Meet the Feit electric smart bulb, the easy way to upgrade your home lighting. Control your lights with your phone or voice, customize colors and brightness, and enjoy smart lighting that fits your lifestyle. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Feit electric smart bulb, a user manual, and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Plug and pair. Getting started is quick and easy. Simply screw the Feit electric smart bulb into a compatible light socket and switch it on. Download the Feit electric app on your Android or iPhone, then sign in or create an account. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. In the app, tap Add Device and follow the on-screen instructions to pair the bulb. Once connected, you can adjust brightness, choose from millions of colors, create schedules, set timers, and control your lights hands-free with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Smart features? Control your lights without lifting a finger. Simply use Alexa or Google Assistant to turn the bulb on or off, adjust brightness, or change colors with easy voice commands. Personalize your space with millions of colors and adjustable white light. Set the perfect brightness and create the ideal atmosphere for any mood or occasion. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Feit electric smart bulb. See you in the next one.